Katy Nielsen here at Goose Island at Chicago's Food Summit, where food vendors from all over the city who have trucks are here in support of Emanuel's potential proposal to change the law that prevents vendors from cooking their food on the trucks.
You know, it depends. I mean, there's a lot of logistics issues that I think, you know, people aren't really aware of, that now that I see with the city of Chicago, just physically being in this city, from the weather to the seasonality of it, to there being a lot of one-way streets, to a lot of places you can't go and park downtown. I think all of it would combine to make it a much harder market, regardless whether you can cook on the truck or not. But cooking on the truck in a seasonal market is a very tough thing, and people, you know, I'm not sure how much people are aware how hard it will be. Whereas with what we're doing now, we just make it in-house. Works perfectly, and we're able to sell within, you know, do our job, go down, serve people lunch, and get out.
I honestly think it's a void in our culinary scene here, and also just for what people want and what's easy and fast. I think it's a great thing. I think that we should be allowed to cook on premise.
In the short term, I don't think so. We bake all our empanadas at our kitchen, and we bring them in here, and I think that's pretty good for us right now. Maybe in the long term, if we think about it, maybe expand to other foods and maybe cook inside, but right now, no, we're fine like this.
An order of tamal brings 2 tamales, and sometimes people want to have one of each and stuff, and the fact that I have already packaged and sealed, so I can accommodate, you know, customers like that, so they have to have 2 tamales of the same kind.
Okay.
So if they let us cook, or they let us, you know, handle food on the truck, then I'll be able to provide, you know, the tamales that they actually want. I will be able to provide the tamales and serve the tamales the way that I will serve them, with the sauce, with the garnish and everything else, more like a dish versus, you know, it is, you know, a package and stuff. I would say that will be the biggest thing. As far as cooking in the truck, I don't think really they will help me personally. But again, just the fact that I can serve the product the way that I will actually have it at home, or the way that I actually serve it in a restaurant, that will be huge. Huge.
It's really stimulating the economy, so if that's a threat, then, you know, then I guess so. But for me, it's creating jobs, it's creating a market that there is not currently, and I don't know, and I think it also would provide a better opportunity for, you know, for people who are on the trucks to make better food as well, which clearly helps their businesses grow.
In spite of the weather, a lot of people came out for the Food Truck Summit to support the food vendors around Chicago. This is Katy Nielsen reporting for the Columbia Chronicle.